Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this most requested look. I post this on my Instagram all the time and everybody wanted tutorial. So here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Laura Mercier moisturizer. Of course you need to moisturize that face no matter if it's oily or not. You definitely need to prep, prime, moisturize your face. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my moisturizer. Go ahead and make sure that everything is really nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to go with my Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. This is like my main thing because that's what keeps my makeup on all day. So you want to make sure you apply a primer to keep your foundation and all your makeup stay put all day, especially when it's hot, because you don't want it to like go patchy or anything like that. Then I'm going with my foundation by Mario, and I'm going to go ahead and dot that all over my face. I really like the color and the coverage of this foundation. I definitely need to go get a new one because I'm almost out. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and dot that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my beauty sponge. And sorry, I had my little AirPods on. I was listening to music because we were all in my room trying to get ready to go out, and you know, everybody was listening to their own music, and I was like, girl, I'm just gonna put my AirPods on and listen to my own thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all out, and then I'm gonna go with my concealer and just kind of brighten my eyes a little bit. This one is from ELF, the camouflage one. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and my forehead. And then I'm just going to go back with that same beauty sponge and just kind of just blend everything together just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. I usually like to blend out my eyes first because I don't really want my under eyes to get cakey, but I totally forgot and I was just like, oh well, we're going to deal with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Like I said, I just want to blend under my eyes. Then I'm going to go with Gerard Cosmetics setting powder. This one is in the pink one. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that under the eyes just to brighten. As you guys can see how beautiful that looks. It brightens and it like hides your pores. I don't know what is in there. So I don't know. I totally skipped the rest of my face. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and apply some bronzer onto my eyes. This is basically what I do, guys. This is like my go-to every day if I want to look glammed. This is what I do. The only thing that I changed up was adding a little bit of liner in the waterline, but I just added my bronzer that I use for my face onto my eyes and just kind of like went ham on it and just applied it as much as I wanted. And then I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my powder into my lids just to kind of give them like a little bit of color, and then just a little bit on my brow bone. And then I just kind of blend everything to just make sure that everything's really nice and blended. As you guys can see here, you don't want anything too crazy. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes just to prepare them. And then these lashes are, oh my god, I forgot the name of them, but I got them off Amazon. I'll list them down below for you guys. Just a simple lash. And then a little bit of mascara. Then this is what I just changed, is the eyeliner. I decided that I wanted some eyeliner, so I'm using this Urban Decay 24/7. It's a brown liner. I'm just gonna line up my waterline. Then the lips, I use this one from Buxom. I'll list them down below for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and line up my lips. I always do a nude lip with this combination of eye color just because the shadow is like already pretty and I just want to keep everything kind of nude. So I just go ahead and line up my lip with this one. And like I said, I'll list everything down below for you guys. And if I don't, just go ahead and check out my Instagram. I usually post everything on my Instagram. Then I'm going to go with this like nudie pink lip from Buxom as well. And then I kind of like to blend them in with my finger. And yeah, this is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and we will talk soon. Bye.